welcome to Sonia Store. So Preeti,
Hi.
okay, so I've always seen you as a fashionista. The first time I met you with Ashwin, on the
At the
sets of the
shoot,
ad,
yeah.
smart Rolex watch, a men's watch though.
Yeah,
Smart Rolex, a tee, a denim. So you're a very casual dresser, right?
very quite don't have the patience to sit and sort
Yeah.
out too many things. Comfort, I think, comes first. So
Were,
Yeah,
were you
pretty much.
like that since your college days? Or?
yeah, please.
Yeah, you were this denim
I cannot walk around in clothes and I'm not comfortable in. So it's
Okay.
I think it's a combination of personality and comfort that makes
Comfort,
it very
yeah, that makes
important.
it.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I know, you are like the pillar, of a Ashwin style. Like, he even mentioned, if my wife is around, yes, shopping is a must and everything. So, tell us something about his style. What was his style like when you met him? What was that one thing that, you just fell for him and flattered and.
See, I think his personality has really taken well to shirts, and luckily for me and him, he really likes wearing shirts
Shirts.
because the rest of the time he's always in his jerseys. He's in tracks and he's in t-shirts. So I'm quite tired of that. When he's off duty, I really want him to take that effort to
Okay.
dress up. So
So the shirts is like the dress up.
yeah, definitely. He's not it's not like we follow trends, or he's not very trend crazy or
No,
anything,
no.
but definitely shirts, yeah.
Shirts,
It's-
yeah. And I didn't ask him a few questions on purpose because I know, you own like a great part of his wardrobe. So, what is his favorite color, by the way?
I don't think he sticks to anything in particular. Whites, lighter colors look really nice on him. Black again is a favorite
Yeah.
for him, so
For
it works
yeah,
well.
yeah. And what is it that he likes you wearing the most?
In fact, I mean, I think he likes me.
almost everything. I know it's a tough
No.
question. It better be everything, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll assume it's everything, but he
Yeah.
quite likes it when I wear ethnic Indian wear actually. Probably because we hardly get occasions to wear it. We're
Right.
traveling, we're on the road all the time.
What do you think about, what we dressed Ashwin today? I mean, he wore.
Oh, I really loved the khaki navy combination in the
right?
suit
So
earlier.
yeah.
As I said earlier, the light layering.
It works on him.
Yeah, it works on him.
Works on
His
him.
physique actually takes really well to nice layers. I mean, in
Yeah.
Chennai, you
And-
really
and
can't
he's
get
got
too
that
stuffy.
infectious smile, which is
Yeah,
which
yeah.
goes with every outfit. You're like, okay, so I'm going to own this style.
Yeah, that I mean, once I mean, he would tell you if he was uncomfortable in something you
yeah.
styled him in.
Yeah,
So you will not get a smile out of him if he's wearing something like
Right,
that. So if you've
yeah.
got good pictures, it only means that the clothes came out really well.
Yeah, he liked it.
Yeah.
And the other bombers also, right?
Oh
I
yes,
mean,
oh
they were
lovely,
like-
yeah.
yeah, we missed the jumper, but I think very soon, we'll get him into
Probably
that,
you'll get up,
Yeah,
get to it in some time.
Exactly. But then, what did you, I mean, so what is that one trend, which you really like him to, I think you like the second trend, right? Because I think, you said, we'll stick on to that, the bomber. And
Yeah,
then,
it's quite casual. I mean,
Casual.
at the end of the day, he is a sports personality, and then
something that keeps his personality
yeah,
and
I mean, you can't really. His identity needs to, come through his clothes.
comes, yeah.
So,
But also the fact that he's a celebrity, So
of course,
that-
yeah.
yeah.
That
we
quotient is always hanging out there. But I'm just saying, if it's comfortable for him, then it makes a lot more sense to see him wearing something like
Yeah.
that.
So, we will see Ashwin wearing more of that,
Yes.
as to our fashion trend today.
Yes.
So, what do you have to say about this concept of
I think
fashion coming online?
I think it's really cool because see, the whole stylist concept really needs. It has picked up, I think, over the years.
Yeah.
What you saw 5 years in Chennai
Absolutely.
ago in Chennai,
Yeah.
it's very different from what it is right now. Now it's not just a celebrity. I think even people want to be, dressed well. They want to
Right.
be, presentable. I think it's really important for your clothes to talk, your personality to come out. So a channel, something like this for a stylist to be doing, I think it's a really good thing. Because when celebrities get on talk shows, they don't talk about what they wear, what they think, what brands they like, what
Exactly.
labels they sport. For them to talk that, I think it's quite interesting.
Yeah, and
Wish you luck on that.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Preeti Ashwin. Watch Sonia Store and subscribe to Amrita's YouTube channel for the latest fashion updates. Get your style and fashion quotient up and kicking.